26. To Hackney Wick.
Now, usually I don't do this, but go ahead on, break them off with a little previews of the remix. Now, I'm not trying to be rude, but hey, pretty girl, I'm feeling you. The way you do the things you do reminds me of my Lexus cool. That's why I'm all up in your grill, trying to get you to a hotel. You must be a football coach, the way you got me playing the field. So baby, give me that, and let me get that. Running her hands through my fro, bouncing point and focus. While they stand on the bed, yeah, ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in here with fucking rum. I'm like, oh, what I'm drunk. It's the fucking weekend, I'm about to have it some fun. Ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in here with fucking rum. I'm like, oh, what I'm drunk. It's the fucking weekend, I'm about to have it some fun. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, I'm about to have some fun. Ignition, hot and fresh shit. Mama, that body, every living, smoking raw. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, I'm about to have some fun.
Now it's like murder, she rolled. Once I get you out and close, privacy's on the door. Still they can hear you screaming more. Girl, I'm feeling what you're feeling. No more hoping and wishing. I'm about to take my key and stick it in the ignition. So give me that, let me hear that. Running her hands through my fro, bouncing on 24. While they stand on the radio. Stop rocking in the streets navigator. We got you everywhere. The party was kicked. Promise to my life, party's on my body. We playing more together. We got you in all night. Then I know the show is the party. Yeah, the party is the party. Yeah, how about you got the rock? Yeah, take it to your friend and can I get her? Can I get her? Can I get her? Can I get her? Sipping coke and rum. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, I'm about to have some fun. So ignition, hot and fresh shit. Mama, that body, every sipping coke and rum. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, I'm about to have some fun.
Put on my blue tracksuit and I got on a bus. Sat down by the man stinking of stale piss and got up again with minimal fuss. At the Mecca bingo, where the Muslims go to bet. Yeah, I got off at the right bus stop, but I ain't done no shopping yet. But I'm walking to Lidl. Yeah, I'm walking with my Primark shopping bag. walk into Lidl, 'cause there's a special on my favourite fags. Saw the half-price chicken on the corner of aisle 6. Saw old Mavis had her eye on it, so I nicked her walking stick. Now security, they did not see me, they just loitered round the door. But I've got chicken in my bag, and with the special on bags, I know I'm coming back for more. I love shopping in Lidl. I love 20 packs of crisps for 15p. Shopping in Lidl. Cider for 10p is great for me. Shopping in Lidl. The only place to go to get your fill. Shopping in Lidl. Where you end up with a minus £10 bill. They've got codfish on the counter, bananas hanging in the air. With your limited funds, you can still buy food when you think you haven't got a prayer. You got a prayer in Lidl. Down in the wine and beer aisle, I fill up my bag with booze. They ask me if I'm gonna pay for it. I said, is the Pope a Jew? So they take me into the office, and I shout with all my might. They said, tell me, are you a Robin slag? I said, yes I am tonight. I love shopping in Lidl. Tins' labels I can't understand. Shopping in Lidl. It's a cut price shopping wonderland. Shopping